Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Jan.
And I'm Anna. And today we are embracing getting older by making a craft. But the purpose of the craft is to discuss hostess gifts. The holidays are coming up, and I think it's really important to show when you go to someone's house your appreciation for all the work they've done. It does not have to be expensive. It does not have to be something that lives forever. You know, flowers are beautiful. And but something that shows, wow, you've done a lot of work and you've welcomed us into your home. I wanted to show you my gratitude.
I did. I brought her flowers today.
She did. She
I didn't bring her
anything.
Yeah. I don't appreciate her.
Anyway, so just for example, this is a table runner. And I think it's beautiful. It has the fall colors and it has gold, which I love. And $3 at the 99-cent store. My goodness. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Very good.
Yeah. And then I bought this. This is, I'm going to someone's house for Thanksgiving. And this is a votive at the Dollar Tree, I think this one was from, for 99 cents. So I have glue. I have glue because I have it for my grandchildren. And I have glitter of all colors, so I bought, I have this.
Grab those though, just because they're such pretty colors, just to show.
Okay, hold on. Here. This is a little package that has just fall colors and gold and copper.
So pretty. And it really matches this.
It does.
So
it really does.
I took a little bit of white glue on the brush and then the sparkle. And I'm just going to put it all over this, so that even though this sparkles already, it will have a touch of that color.
And the glue will dry clear.
The glue will dry clear, but you will have the sparkle.
Well, aren't
and
you
the copper
just the clever one?
Isn't that pretty?
Very pretty.
It's really cute. And then, of course, I have this ribbon that has
Well, I want to try some.
the color. Oh, please, be my guest.
I'm going to do that so I can get all of my fingers.
There you go. Isn't that pretty? Just enough to give it that touch. So for, let's say $1.50, because I had an old box of candles, I had the sparkles and I had the glue, but let's say I spent $1 on this little packet, but I only used a little bit.
And you know what? It's also really relaxing.
Yes, it is.
Because you're not hurrying. You can kind of be, you can't make a mistake.
No. So now I put this burgundy candle inside because there's burgundy on this,
Kids are
on
playing.
the fall colors. And I'm just going to make a little bow. This is a cumbersome way to make a bow.
Yes, it is.
But that's okay. There we go.
There we go.
And voila. I think this is lovely. It didn't cost much. It shows the person you care. What are some other examples? Hostess gift.
Oh gosh.
Well, there's
Flowers.
Yeah, I usually will take a bottle of wine.
Let's say a bottle of wine.
That's pretty typical,
Yeah.
I think.
And it's nice to put the wine in a pretty bag.
They have those wine bags that are
They do. They have
specifically.
So many different kinds.
I know they're very, very pretty.
But even if it's something that you, because I love to bake, so if it's something you've baked, you can put it in a really pretty container.
I make jam every year, and I usually bring a little jar of jam with a bow on it, or raffia, or, you know. I tell you what I don't spend money on, it's cards. I'm so anti-cards.
Right. I don't send Christmas cards anymore, and even, you know what, even with the wrapping paper, I mean, we went into a store, absolutely beautiful paper store, and the paper wrapping stuff was amazing, but I don't want to rip it. It's really expensive, and it's just like, I can't imagine putting that on a present and it's just going to get ripped up.
Oh no, I don't do
So
that either.
yeah.
So what I've done is I buy bags now, and everything goes in a bag, in a shopping bag, gift bag. And man, as soon as they take out that gift, I'm folding out that bag so I can use it again.
I just read that all of that gift wrapping paper, that is not recyclable.
Oh,
Yeah.
good to know.
Really?
You
It
could
is
probably
not-
buy recyclable paper. Though.
Well, this article was suggesting, which I thought was a good idea. My daughter did this once, taking the brown wrapping paper and like stenciling it.
right.
Or
the shipping paper.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly, because that's recyclable. But I
One
didn't know.
year I wrapped everything in newspaper cartoons.
I love that.
And it was beautiful. The only thing I did was buy red ribbon and put red ribbon in all the boxes, and it looked beautiful.
Yeah.
But I'm getting lazy in my old age, and I just
I do
a
that.
bag,
I like the bags
put it in.
because they
done.
do. They rip the stuff open and they
I know,
boxes.
I do
and-
love to wrap presents, so I really do.
I'm not a fan of wrapping. When I get presents,
do.
I wrap it when I get home, and then I'm done. Otherwise, I get overwhelmed when I see like presents. That you gather them.
I do.
Oh, I don't know enough.
I used to put them in my. I don't use bathtubs because I like showers, and so I used to keep my Christmas presents in my bathtub, and I loved it when the Christmas
That's
when
unique.
it was full. And then I
She
grabbed
is
them.
unique. Yes.
But we digress. This is about hostess gifts, and
Suggestion: go to the Dollar Tree. Go to Michael's. There's always stuff on sale there, and just get creative.
And
it's
the-
really fun and relaxing.
you
to
can
just do this.
You can come up with some really good ideas just by browsing.
Yep.
I love
Makes
to,
me want to go to Michael's right now.
You know what?
I love to have my kids make a craft, like a little piggy bank that they just colored. They're at the Dollar Tree, a little car, and they'll paint it and we'll bring it as a hostess gift. And you know what better way to tell someone you love them and you care?
Yep.
Thank you so
idea.
much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons.
Be sure to subscribe to Ma'am Talks on YouTube.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. Remember to keep embracing getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.